Tell me if you dash any help. Option A, need. Tell me if you need any help. The first time I dash him was at university. Option C, met. The first time I met him was at university. I dash a terrible experience yesterday. Option A, had. I had a terrible experience yesterday. That is my biggest regret dash. Option B, yet. That is my biggest regret yet. They dash English all night. Option B, was studying. They were studying English all night. Each of you is dash the world differently. Option A, sees. Each of you is sees the world differently. I will pay you back when I dash a job. Option C, get. I will pay you back when I get a job. I watched him dash. Option D, fall. I watched him fall. It is not safe for children to dash on the road. Option B, play. It is not safe for children to play on the road. You must apologize dash the punishment. Option A, to escape. You must apologize to escape the punishment. The teacher dash the student for cheating. Option D, rebuked. The teacher rebuked the student for cheating. The culprits should not be allowed to dash easily. Option C, get away. The culprits should not be allowed to get away easily. Kavya picked up all the toys and put dash in a box. Option C, them. Kavya picked up all the toys and put them in a box. Ritu is an dash reader. I always find her with a book. Option A, avid. Ritu is an avid reader. I always find her with a book. A color-blind person is not able to dash between colors. Option B, distinguish. A color-blind person is not able to distinguish between colors. For many, The Lion King is dash as a childhood memory. Option C, treasured. For many, The Lion King is treasured as a childhood memory. I felt something hard dash my cheek. Option A, hit. I felt something hard hit my cheek. Being a millionaire, he is leading a dash life. Option D, luxurious. Being a millionaire, he is leading a luxurious life. He is a descendant dash the Mughal royalty. Option C, of. He is a descendant of the Mughal royalty. Beautiful red roses dash the bride's hair. Option D, adjourned. Beautiful red roses adjourned the bride's hair.